Next up on the extreme edge cleaning is my most viewed, that is a single video with the highest views, vacuum, and my least expensive one, a Bissell Powerforce compact with a whopping 39 nozzle CFM. So let's see what this machine can do for extreme edge cleaning. Not a lot of nozzle CFM, although it has some suction, at least at the hose. I think it was in the 50s. It's a riot, though, that people really like using this machine. Now, this particular machine is, I think, about 4.5 years old, and it's got a squeegee underneath. So it's going to be a little jerky for me to try to push smoothly. It's going to be tough. Oh, there's a nice blob. Move that out. See if it picks that up. Put a little more on the top. All right, let's see what this can do. And away we go. Okay, looks like extreme agitation has its benefits. The top of the carpet is wonderfully clean. I'm moving the pile and I'm not really seeing much of anything. Here on the concrete, good job. That's kind of smashed onto the concrete a little bit. Almost nothing gets that up. Got a little line right here. So let's see what's underneath. And yep, nice big blob and clogged pores. Come on out. There we go. So that was kind of expected. But for a surface cleaner, yep, this guy does a great job still embarrassing machines that cost 10 times the price. Wow, just amazing. Anyway, thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.